everybody, welcome back to Make It with Podge. My name is Cathie Filian.
And I'm Steve Piacenza, and it's that time of year again where young adults are going back to school.
So we have 5 must-make dorm decor DIYs that we're gonna share with you today.
Yes.
We're gonna get started by showing you, I think we did some research of what the top dorm things were, and one of the top things were these lap desks. So we're gonna show you how to take a really fun paper and just create kind of a boho look on a lap desk. Now this lap desk started as a $5 item that we got, and just with a little bit of paper and Mod Podge, we created something really fun to work with our coordinated look.
And one of the other items was light in a dorm room. And of course, you gotta be safety first with flames and stuff in a dorm room. So we found that these battery operated candles and napkins in Mod Podge with a little trim make for a great home decor dorm decoration.
And that's such a simple, easy technique. And like I said, we're gonna show you all these ideas and how you do them. Now, one of the things that's important is bedding, right? So for this cool pillow, this fabric was actually a shower curtain. So if you're at your big box stores, look around and see what fabrics are there. We took a shower curtain and cut it up to create this. And this really cool trim here, that's not even trim at all. That is some yarn. So it's really fun to work outside the box when you're thinking of different ways that you can do these DIYs. We just fell in love with the shower curtain and said, all right, let's make that our theme.
And thinking outside the box, like you said, we found a box that this is also one of the most popular items, a simple box for, of course, storing anything you would like in them. And we used some scrapbook paper on the sides here and Mod Podge and these punch out letters to add a little bit of saying right on top. This is a great way to personalize a simple box into what your decor looks like.
Well, I love, and you didn't share this, but Steve is gonna show you this really quick, fun painting techniques just to be able to get those letters behind there to pop. So that is super cool.
Well, you'll see that in the video.
Yes. And it's so cool, you can just stash your jewelry, your makeup, your, all kinds of things in there. And one other important thing if you're going back to school, elementary or college, is you're going to need a journal. So we're gonna share with you a quick tip on how you can seal those stickers. These are just some scrapbooking stickers that came in a pack, and we went ahead and applied those, and we're gonna show you how you can quickly seal them with Mod Podge so they will last all year long.
Yes, and of course, none of this would be done without Mod Podge. Our 3 formulas that we're using today is our fabric, our satin, and our matte.
All right, you ready to do it?
Let's get started. So there you have it, guys. Those are our 5 must-make dorm items for you to try out.
Thanks for joining us, and make sure you use the hashtags PlaidCrafts and hashtag ModPodge so that everyone at Plaid can see what you're making. We'll see you next time.
Bye.